What if I told you that 99% of your problems could be traced back to one simple truth? You don't lack power. You lack control. Control over your thoughts, your emotions, your actions. Life doesn't break us. We break ourselves by failing to master our inner world. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. The secret lies not in fixing the world around you, but in mastering your response to it. And today, you're about to uncover the only method you'll ever need to reclaim that control. First, confront the illusion of control. Stop wasting energy on things you cannot change, whether it's people's opinions, the past, or the uncontrollable future. Instead, focus entirely on what you can govern, your mindset, your effort, your perspective. Next, adopt the power of action. Stop overthinking. Act decisively, even when unsure. The Stoics taught us that action, no matter how small, is what turns obstacles into opportunities. And finally, harness discipline over emotion. Stop letting fear, anger, or doubt hijack your choices. When you respond with calm and clarity, 99% of life's chaos dissolves. Your problems are not external, they're within. But so is the solution. Now, what will you do with this truth?